I'm back, y'all, and we finally got our Chic Beauty Box. So let's dig in and see what we got. All right, so first off, we get a card that lets us know what variation we get. And this box is supposed to be totaled at $138. It's a pretty cheap box. I still don't really remember how much I be paying for these boxes sometimes, but I got like the 3-month subscription, so it's all good. So the May June box. First up, we got the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. I think this is a gel liner. And y'all know I barely do regular liner, so I didn't ask for commentary. Thanks. My sister's joining me, so let's see here. Suva Beauty Highliner. Oh, the color is Doodle. It's a matte liner. What in the deuces? It's $16. But look, there's a black and a white side. What am I do with that? Shut up. Hydra Liner Cake Liner. Alright, I'm gonna have to Google it because I don't know. And I gotta use a brush. Look, I barely got it straight today. So. That's fun though. I like the packaging though. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging, so. Alright, this is fun. Oh, it tells you how to use it. Activate using a wet makeup brush. Remove using warm water or... Alright. I have one of these brushes that you use for these, but I don't know how to use it. So, it's fine. Well, there's that. Could be a sister gift. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, up next we have the... What is this? BFC Beauty for Certain Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it retails for $22. I've been seeing these, and most people have gotten like a lip oil or something like that. But this is cute. It's real basic. Real basic. It's a little mauve peach. No, that's pink. That's like a rose. I don't know what color this is. It's in my brain, but I don't know. It's like a pink. Kind of blush color pink. That's cute. With a cute little brown liner. I think I could make that work. Well, I know I can make it work because I'm me. Don't be a hater. Anyways, yeah, I think this is that one chick. It's a whole lot of money in this. Bia. Is that her name? The rapper?
I think so.
Oh, we'll see. Oh, see, look, they got the little stuff too, but it's not as bad as that Ipsy. Boy, I'm still bitter about that one. Oh, so next up we have the Ofra Highlighter. X's and Glows. Is that the color I got? Yeah, X's and Glows. And it retails for $35. Yeah, so if you watch Just Ann, like I do, I tell you guys about her all the time. Like, she is obsessed with Ofra. But I've heard a lot of great things about Ofra. So, there's the packaging on the outside. It is a highlighter, and your girl loves highlighter. Although I didn't wear it today. But y'all, this pretty. See all those colors? Look at the pink. These are my favorite color highlighters. These like browns. Those are so pretty. But I think I could get away with like swirl, slight. Yeah. Alright, so this is cool. See, that's why I like this box, and I think that's why I'm going to keep it, because like you get real products. And this is heavy too. This is like legit. I can see why they stuff be expensive. These people. Alright, up next we have a Suva Beauty 620 brush. Oh, so maybe this is the brush that you use to do the liner. Did that go together? It's the liner brush, and it retails for $13. So, see? They be thinking. They just took all the thought of it for you. We make rainbows jealous. So that's cool. Maybe I'll play with it, because I think maybe I could do this, because I like brush tip. Let me take it off the package. I like brush tip liners, just because the way, I don't know, it just makes it easier because I could just lay it on my eyeball, or not on my eyeball, but on my lid, and just drag it over. So maybe I could do the same with this too. Yeah. So yeah, I could do that, and it's real stiff, like I like them. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I can see myself trying it, and I do want to try some white liner too. I bought one from Crayon Kids, but whew, Lord knows I don't know where it's at, or maybe I didn't buy it, and I thought I did, but it's okay. All right, up next, let's see, is the eyeshadow palette, because with these boxes you always get a palette, which is great. And this is KAB, or KAB, at least I can spell, Cab Cosmetics. It is the Day and Night eyeshadow palette, and it came well wrapped. Here's the box. It says Day and Night. I like. If I can get it open. Let's see. Alright, so there's the packaging. Real sleek, real basic. It's giving private label, because I heard that this was, I don't know that woman's name. Kim from Real Housewives. Zolciak, yes. I heard this was her makeup line, and I mean, the packaging is basic, it's simple, it's clean, I like it, but it's giving real private label. So, oh, there's the colors. They look a little dusty. I'm not even gonna lie.
Dry. Sorry. You can cut that part out.
I'm not. So I'm swatching this color right here, Moon Dust, right there. Absolutely not. And I ain't even real good with eyeshadows, but I know better. I know better than that though. Let's try Twinkle Twinkle. It's pinky. I don't really like how they feel. It's dust. That's the color I just swatched. Like, it looks pretty, but it's like dry. And maybe I could be too harsh right now, but it's not promising. And I don't know, it's a real basic palette. I don't see nighttime, but again, I don't necessarily stick to makeup rules where you have to wear certain colors at night. Like yesterday, I wore some fire green shimmer shadow from Ace Beauty from their Tropical collection, one of the single shadows. And I wore that during the day. Is that really, is that a daytime color? Or is it a night? Okay.
It can be both. That's just giving dry, like you need to put some cocoa butter on it.
See? So here's the palette again. And this retails for $52. Absolutely not. If I'm going to spend $52 on an eyeshadow palette, I'm going to put in the extra $20, because there's tax, for a Natasha Denona palette. Or I'll just go get another Ace Beauty palette. Hell, even ColourPop will do me better for $52. But you never know. I could be wrong, because y'all know I'm not the best at these things. But, you know, it may swatch poorly. It may look dusty in the palette, but it could perform beautifully. So maybe I'll try it instead of being too harsh. But I'm not really feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. But that's it, y'all. That's that's all we got in our box this month. So this is the May June box. So let's recap. So we got the Dusty palette from Cab Cosmetics, the Suva Beauty liner, and a brush. And we got the Ofra highlighter, which is amazing. I definitely will be using this because I don't know, because I might just be behind the times, but there's a rumor that like highlighter went out of style, and I was like, since when? Because your girl loves her some good highlighter. See, I don't go nowhere to use it, so that's why I haven't used it. But yeah, I definitely plan on using this. And then we've got the lipstick. So yeah, so shut up. This box is again valued at $138, and I see it with, I kind of see it, but I don't see it. Like just in numbers, whatever. Like the lipstick, did I tell you how much that was? It was $22, which is pretty standard, but this is kind of small. Like let's revisit her. Like the this is small. This is like the size of a bullet lipstick, maybe a mini. And there's not that much product in there. So, I mean, but it's cute. It's cute. I can make it work. But yeah. So that's what I got. So, yeah. Don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the box. Are you going to subscribe? Are we box twins? And then don't forget to subscribe. And tell your homegirls to subscribe. And then tell those homegirls of those homegirls to tell their homegirls to subscribe. You know, we kick it over here. So yeah, so that's it for our Chic Beauty Box for May, June. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.